Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived a wise old man. He was famous for his calm nature and deep wisdom, attracting visitors from far and wide seeking his guidance. In this village, there was a lively young boy bursting with energy. Unfortunately, he had a short temper, getting upset over petty frustrations, whether it was losing a game, a broken toy, or being teased by his friends. His parents, worried about his frequent outbursts, suggested he visit the wise old man for help. Eager for a solution, the boy raced to the old man and expressed his frustration about his constant anger. With a warm smile, the old man handed him a small bag of nails, instructing him to hammer one nail into a fence every time he lost his temper. A simple yet profound lesson on the impact of anger. As days passed, the boy hammered nails into the fence, watching it fill with nails. Each nail represented a moment of anger, and he realized how heavy and messy his actions left him feeling. After weeks, the wise old man returned and asked him to pull out the nails when he controlled his temper. The boy diligently removed the nails, yet the holes remained, a visible reminder of his past actions. The boy reflected on this lesson, understanding that anger leaves behind scars, just like those holes in the fence. He learned to pause, breathe, and find calmness before reacting. This transformation taught him that true strength lies in controlling his anger, a valuable lesson he would carry for life.